This is a Pondas semi-auto wafer grinder. Firstly, place the wafer on the microporous ceramic vacuum table, then set parameters such as feeding speed, rotation speed, grinding thickness, grinding time, etc. The system starts grinding according to the parameters set previously. After grinding, take out the wafer for measurement. The equipment is mainly used for the grinding any kinds of wafers and substrate made of silicon, silicon carbide, silicon nitride, germanium, gallium arsenide, gallium nitride, sapphire, and other else.